Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, it's take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on me right here. Then go to Pay and Services. The next thing you want to do is to click on this particular three dots right here. And this is going to open up right here. Click on Payment Management. That's going to take you right here. Click on Set Password. Then you have three options by which you can use to set payment password. The first option is Set Password by Mobile Number. So if you click on Set Password by Mobile Number, that is, you want to set your payment password by the number of your WeChat account. However, if you don't want to use that option, you can simply go back and choose Set by Identity Verification. Click on Identity Verification, then verify your identity and enter your payment password. That is another way around. However, if you don't want to use this option, you can easily go back. Back here, you can use Set by linking a bank card. Click on here, then you will be required to enter your bank card detail, whether Visa card or MasterCard. Once you bind your bank card, then from there, you can easily set up your payment password and start making use of your WeChat wallet for payment and receiving funds. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your WeChat wallet, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.